In the forgotten mountains of history, there once lived a civilization, the Selewamites. They did not argue on scrolls. They did not shout in the marketplace. They did not post long comment threads. They simply showed people how to do things. When someone asked, "How do I build this?" they showed them. When someone asked, "How do I survive winter?" they showed them. When someone asked, "How do I cook this without burning it?" they showed them. Twice, because someone always burns it the first time. Their sacred word was TOWOHAGEM, roughly translated, "Just show me." No fluff, no endless debate, no 20-minute introduction before the actual point. Just step by step. Today, the Selewamite civilization is gone. The scrolls are gone. The stone temples are dust. But the idea remains. TOWOHAGEM, how to, without the nonsense.